Okay, I will get into the charts now. Okay, looks like we live, we good. Can you hear me, bro, Redo? Let me know if all is good. Okay, we should be okay. All right. Cool. Yeah, GJ's been just messing around in this area. I will not touch it as long as it's consolidating like this. It's really struggling to kind of decide where it wants to go. Yeah, you clear? Okay, good, perfect. So for GJ, it's really unclear of whether price is respecting this resistance and using it as support, or wants to break. You can see it's just started to consolidate. It started to consolidate. Yeah, you hear me? Okay, cool. Why can't you unmute yourself and rather just talk to me, or what's going on? So yeah, GJ is still unclear of what it wants to do. You can see it's kind of moving sideways. I have an alert above. I have an alert below here, so we'll see which way price wants to head to. So that is obviously the daily. We've also just had a new day here, so okay, cool. All right, so therefore I'm not trading it until I see some clear direction. So that is the daily, really. We don't have much to look at. Resistance is up there, support is up down here. We have this zone the price is playing within. We did stop at the 38.2, so I'm kind of more bullish than bearish. But again, Hassan, good morning, sir. Good trade. What's going on, Hassan, bro? Welcome to the stream, man. So yeah, just kind of waiting to see what price wants to do. For our time frame, we're still in a bearish for our market structure. I miss you, bro. Thanks, bro. I miss you too. Consolidate. Well, it's retracing and just now playing playing around in this area between the 61 and the 50, which translates to this area right here. 4 hour. Okay, we got one here. We just made a new support, and then price pushed, but then price was for some reason brought back down. Yeah, I don't know. This area is still kind of still holding. Right there, we got our support here, our resistance here. I just made a new support. 4 hour time frame, we're still kind of retracing on the 4 hour. 1 hour time frame, bullish. I wait yesterday to take down balance 3k. Wait, what? Minus, you lost 3k on yesterday? Jesus, bro. Why do you guys like, why do you guys like to trade these insane volatile pairs? Like, I don't understand. Just because this multi-millionaire trader is trading it doesn't mean you must do the same. Honestly, just stick to basic forex pairs, man, and Stop over risking. Why are people so greedy, man? Like, I could lose 10 trades in a row. I couldn't care less. That would only be 10% because I'm only risking 1% each trade. So for me, in order to blow my account, I have to lose 100 trades in a row. Tell me who on earth loses 100 fucking trades in a row? Nobody. Even if you're trying to lose, you will probably end up having a winner, because because obviously we're always trying to win, and sometimes we get a loss. My strategy is win rate 80%. I don't care what your win rate is. If you're over risking, what does it matter? That one loss could wipe that 80% of your account. 80% win rate is doesn't matter, bro. It really doesn't. I take 6k today. So you made 6k, then you lost 3k. That is horrible risk reward. You literally lost half your profit. If you made 6k and you lost 1k, that's good. That's decent. But losing half your profits in one trade, that's kind of nuts. That's, again, just my personal opinion. But anyway, back to GJ. So GJ made a newfound support. Now, yes, you're right. I mean, it's just, it is what it is, man. You know, you can't, if you make profit, try and keep it and withdraw. Don't give it back. That's, you know, anyway. So I don't know, we could possibly see a long from here on GJ, and then maybe stops just below here, take profit up here. That could be a trade, but I still need to see more confirmation here. Let's go back on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, so I'm gonna need a nice bullish candle to close. So in 40 minutes time, let's see how this 1 hour candle closes. If it closes bullish, then we'll enter, and then like a nice little buy. We'll take profit 1 here, 2, and then last one would be up there, and then that would confirm our and finish our 1 hour market structure. But let's see. Obviously, this is just an idea. That all depends on how price reacts in this area. If it starts trading to the upside and breaking structures on smaller time frame, then we can hop in. But so therefore, I'm just gonna kind of like, actually, I'm just gonna, oops, what did I do there? You're into broker account. Okay. Let's let me just drag this down to here so that we get alerted if price you know, try push or do something. You use a small stop loss in GG, bro. 23 pips. Is this good for you, bro? Okay, anyway. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Nah, I'll never have a stop loss that big. I'd rather be taken out at 1%, right, than have a massive, like, then prolong the process of losing that 1%. I'd rather lose 1% in 15 minutes. I know it's a loss, stop loss hit, whatever, cool, move on to the next trade, than be in a trade for a whole day and then eventually hit stop loss and still lose 1%. Like, if you're wrong, you're wrong. Stop loss for losers. So no stop loss, gang. So this is it. Fucking 1,000 risk to reward ratio. How's that for a trade, hey? Anyway, let's see how price reacts here. 1 hour, that's our 1 hour fib. 30-minute fib, we don't do 30 minutes fibs. Let's stick to the 1 hour. 15 minutes here. Nice bullish candle here on the 30 minutes. Yeah, so, but let's just obviously wait for the 1 hour, because the 1 hour is more reliable, because it's stronger, it's higher time frame, you know, and you know, it's a very decent stop loss below the market structure here. So yeah, it'll be a nice stop loss of, you know, 30 or so pips, but yeah, below the low. I'm sure you are not user stop loss. If like if I enter on a, like, you know, a very small risk and price is still trading close to my, I only put a stop loss like once price is moving against me, or if it starts moving, sorry, towards take profit, or if it starts moving against me, I just see how the candle closes, because sometimes you get wicked out and I don't want to get wicked out. And yeah, so if the price comes back and then comes go up, it's a wick, so I don't care. But if candle closes below, then yeah, then that's it. I'll put a stop loss and let it hit. But yeah, that is really it for GJ. Like nothing much. I do favor like longs for now, just for a deeper retracement, close this imbalance on a higher time frame. You can see we have this whole insufficiency in the market, boom boom. So this whole area needs to kind of be filled, and we just had a nice decent kind of reversal pattern there, like a little doji, boom, 3-pin formation as well. So I don't know, longs on DJ looking kind of clean. We'll see. Now moving on to AUDUSD. Now this is the one where I wanted to go long on, and I'll break down why I wanted to go long on. I'll break it down now for you guys. Hold on. So daily time frame, right? We have a low, we have a high. Price retraced at 38.2, and then gave us a very strong, nice bullish engulfing, and that bullish engulfing is on the daily time frame. So if you see it, oh hello Bright, Bright, what's up man, welcome to the stream, bro. You know, a daily bullish engulfing is kind of like, it's kind of strong. Like look here, bullish engulfing, boom, price moves up, you know, a few hundred pips. Bearish engulfing, price moves down a few hundred pips. So that's what I was kind of, you know, I was thinking that, okay, if price retraced to the 38.2, it's probably now going to settle at the 23.6. But yeah, it's like slowly creeping down. Stop loss hasn't been hit yet, but again, it's only 1%. I couldn't care less, guys. Never, please, just never ever lose risk more than 1%, because yeah, you will literally blow your account. Stop over risking. Again, I'll say it again, you in order for you to blow your account, you have to lose 100 trades in a row. Nobody loses 100 trades in a row. Impossible. Even if you're trying to lose, you'll get a winner here and there. So yeah, so we have a fib, boom boom. Okay, now on the 4-hour time frame, market structure is kind of still bearish, I'm not gonna lie, but I did see this kind of a very strong impulse move, and I thought that, okay, so if we have so much buying pressure, and after this 4-hour kind of reversal pattern candle here, this little kind of doji, I really like your style. I desperately need a sure way of making 20 pips scalping. Yeah man, come join the Discord, bro. I provide with everything that you need to kind of grow your account, so even your small account. Yeah man, the link will probably be down below, or just join the free Telegram and message me, and we can get you on the team, man. We have an amazing community. Anyway, so very clean market structure here, but after this massive impulse move, I thought would for sure continue to the upside after and you can see the difference between a nice buying pressure, very strong bullish candles, compared to the retracement where it's literally small candles, tiny candles, small candles. It's very weak volume coming down, right? Strong bullish, strong full candles, very small and choppy price action to the downside. That indicates very weak market. So, and like you can see, when price is moving strongly, it really moves. So let's see what happens here. GJ in 4-hour reach my moving average. What? Reach my moving average at 162,900. You mean reach, not rich? Okay. What does that mean? Are you buying or are you selling? So yeah, where were we? 4-hour daily. We have a new, actually, hold on. So on the We have a new daily selling. Oh wow, you selling, GJ? Okay, nice. Let me know how that goes for you. Let me know how that goes for you, bro. We have a 4-hour line there, so I don't need to add a new one. It's okay. I'm sorry for my bad English. No, it's okay. I still understand you. I still understand you, bro. Don't you stress, bro. It's okay. It really is okay. I'm sure you're better than me at your language and whatever other language you probably speak, so it's alright. I do speak 3 languages though, just to put that out there. I do speak 3 languages. English is actually my 3rd. So yeah. Not bragging or anything, I'm just saying English is my 3rd language, and I'm being serious, like, for sure. Just join the Telegram page. Absolutely, man. Have a look around. We've been killing it in the Discord, man. I post a lot of my profits and how students are doing crazy amount of profits and account flips on the free Telegram. But you get access to all the exclusive benefits once you join the Discord, and it's only a one-time payment, just so I can have like serious team only. I want to build a serious community, like serious traders, a safe environment, no scammers, nothing. Because trust me, once you have a free Discord, these bots and scammers be flooding in left, right, and center. You'd be getting messaged every day from this and that and that. It's crazy. You're not published in your Telegram. What? The link is in the description, bro. What are you talking about? The link is literally in the description. So yeah, let me carry on with my breakdown. Hold on. Okay, yeah. But seriously, my major problem is the entry. Yeah, entries can be tricky. I see what you're saying. But you really gotta take an entry once. So let's say, okay, what are you, a day trader? Are you a scalper, or are you a swing trader? Like, what time frame are you looking at mostly? And your trades, are you holding them for days, hours, minutes? Because all these answers really define what I should, how to continue, like how I should. Your answers will define my answer, basically. Are you a swing? Are you a day? Are you a scalper? And then I will ask you accordingly. So 4 hour boom boom retracement, impulse buying pressure coming in. Okay, so now we go back on 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame still hasn't broken structure, except I perfectly do top down analysis, but my entries are all messed up. Again, what are you? Are you a swing trader? Are you a scalper? Or are you a day trader? How long do you hold your trades for? Just ask yourself that. Impulse move, retracement. Let's see how deep this retracement could happen. Yeah, let's see how this retracement, how deep it will come to. And my students take nice profit. Of course, bro, we've been killing it. I want to be a scalper, just like your past videos I watched. You want to be a scalper? Perfect. Okay, so I'm giving too many valuable information here for you guys for free. But if you want to be a scalper, like, sure, look at the daily, look at the 4 hour, but do a top down analysis from the 1 hour. Like, obviously look at the daily, cool direction, we buying. Look at the 4 hour, cool, we buying or selling, either way. But start a top down analysis on the 1 hour down to kind of 15 minutes, and then take an entry based on a 15 minutes Fibonacci retracement. You'll love that, trust me. And don't hold your trades for too long. Just at the negative 27%, take your profits and walk away. Trust me. You're a scalper, you shouldn't hold your trades for too long. How many times have you held your trade too long and then price literally came back, like it went to a nice profit and then just took you out a break even or a loss even? So yeah, I'm good. Hey man, it's a lot of time, lot of time, lot of work put in this, you know. It's what I do for a living, man. It's what I do. It's what I do every day. I'm sure you're really good at what you do for a living. Whatever it is, it could be, you know, presentation or price list. Hey, thank you, man. Appreciate that, man. Thank you. You know, I'm just trying to help as many people as I can, you know. That's why I do these live streams. Trust me, I don't gain nothing from doing these live streams. I could just be trading with my private group, but I'm trying to help you guys out as well. That's why I'm doing these lives as well. Anyway, AUD retracement, boom, boom. Okay, now we are at a 4 hours support here. Price made a support here, and I want to see how this candle closes. I have to be your friend. You have to be your friend. Come, Thai friend. Oh Jesus, come join the Discord. We'll talk in there. Okay, so price. Let's see how this one. Let me see the 1 hour. Okay, so I have an alert down here because there's wicks here, right? And price could easily come back, collect some orders from this little demand area. You can see when price was down here, a lot of buyers came in the market and pushed price up, right? So now they're bringing price back down. Now, for us to know whether it would be a retracement or not is to wait for price. If it touches here and flies up, that's when we know this was like a liquidity grab, a nice demand area, and then we can look for buys from there. So that's why I have an alert there. Yeah, let's see what happens in that area. 4 hour, as long as this 1 4 hour candle doesn't close below this red line, we're still looking for buys. But if it closes below, then we can look into maybe try and, you know, change our whole bias for intraday to kind of maybe bring it down to this support, or maybe price wants to come back even lower to grab liquidity and buys from cheaper price. Because remember, simple concept of buy low, sell high, but it's very difficult to implement, right? So how many pips should I expect as a scalper? 20, max 30, 35. Listen, sometimes it depends on the market. What is the market giving you? If price is moving, right? If price is moving up and moving impulsively and you're in nice profit, why should you cut it at 20? Just let it run, right? To squeeze as much as you can from the market. But if you are up a nice amount of profits, always secure some profit. So have a stop loss at 20 pips, for example. Have a stop loss at 15 pips. Have a stop loss at 25 pips in profit. If you're up a lot of money, just secure some profits always. And then if price is moving in your direction really quickly, just let it run, man, and see where it's trying to go to, and then you can close manually at a very nice price with extra profit. But back to our saying, yeah, let's see how this 4 hour candle, I want it to close above. If it closes above this 4 hour, we should be good for a buy. 1 hour time frame, nothing too major. So this is what I had initially. This is what I'm kind of, you know, I'm trying to see here. And because we did have this little area here that price literally grabbed money from, you can see it acted perfectly on it. Boom, came back, boom, shot up, closed above, and now the price is moving back. Now, is it moving back to collect more orders, or is it moving back to really break? Let's see. We will see. We'll have to wait and see. I do have an alert there, so it's okay. Let's see here, 30 minutes. I do have a 30-minute Fibonacci here from this latest higher low market structure on 30 minutes, low, high. Price came back, and the reason why I took that entry is because price perfectly rejected the 50%. So I was expecting now take profit negative 27. Now clearly price wasn't ready to fly that much. Maybe they trying to, you know, bring price back down even further to buy even cheaper. I don't know. Anyway, we can only react and adapt to the market. Yeah, we can only react and adapt. This is, and we do what I stick to my rules. I'm never afraid to take an entry because I'm never afraid of losing that money. I'm always accepting my 1% risk. Should I jump in the share as a scalper? No. Hold on. Actually, I can't tell you what to do. I'm sorry. No. I don't know. Don't ask me if you should jump in or not. No. This is up to you. This is your money, your account. I'm just sharing my knowledge. I'm sharing what I do, right? And it's completely up to you if you want to follow it or not. I take no responsibility if you lose money. I'm just saying it. Disclaimer. This is what I'm doing. This is what I put my money behind. It's my work. If I lose my money. Yeah, no, absolutely, man. I'm not gonna be like, yeah, bye. So, nah, I will. I always when I send my signals, I say, I always say like a trade idea, so that it's up to you whether you want to take it or not. You don't have to take my stuff. You know, if you agree with it, take it. I'd be happy to take it. If you don't, then don't. I'm not gonna force you to take my signal. But if you want to, go ahead. And you know, and I do have a, what do you call it, like a lot of results from students proving that following my strategy to a certain point can make you money. So where were we? Yeah, so that's what I'm waiting on. I do have this very nice 30-minute Fibonacci. Price rejected the 50%, perfectly fine. Is it now retesting it to then fly to the upside? Hopefully, we'll see. And USD JPY, we caught this very nice impulse up yesterday. If you weren't here, go back to yesterday's stream or the last stream we did. We literally took this live with everybody, and we closed some profits around this area. So now this fib is still in play. Now that's why I haven't really looked at it again, because look what's been. It literally died and now it's moving sideways. Final TP is up there, but I do have a alert down here and an alert up here. So I want to see whether price is going to break to the upside or to the downside, and I'll make a decision from there. Yeah, so what else? Somebody wanted to sell today, and he did sell, but then I told him to close, and then when he closed, look what happened. Literally the next 1 hour candle moved up from here to here, moved up 54 pips. He could have lost all of the profits he made. But I do have gold traveling up to this area. I'm not going to explain why. I will keep that for the Discord. But yeah, this is what I'm looking at, chat. Look at that. You see how the 1 hour rejected? I said if the 1 hour closes above, then we should be all right to kind of maybe even take a scalp from here to here. But look, price is perfectly rejecting this area, right? Perfectly. Let's see. Okay, so we do have a 21 EMA here that price is rejecting. So let's see. John K, I think gold will move rapidly when the CPI numbers come out tomorrow. Yeah. This is why it's also like kind of like, look at this. That's why usually price kind of dies before news. So that's why it's kind of dying out and not much volume in it. Usually that means there's an event happening either today or tomorrow, or you know. But yeah, I do have this trade idea, and let's see how candle closes. If candle closes below and price really, the thing is, right, why I'm more long than short. First of all, the yen is a lender, right? The yen pair is a lender. Japan like the currency to be weak because it's a lender. They like to lend money, and they rely on their money to be weak. And the yen has been in a downtrend for years, man. Like, look at this. This is the daily time frame. Price is always trading to the downside. So when you compare it to someone like the pound, which is really, really strong, right? If you look at the daily on the pound, it's always moving up. It's always moving up, right? You see obviously nice dips. That's when Brexit happened, and you know, major stuff happening in the UK. But usually normal market conditions, it's always trending to the upside. Look at USD JPY. It's always fucking moving to the upside because dollar strong, yen is weak. They like the currency to be weak. It's a lender, and that is why I'm always kind of leaning towards buys than sells. Now, another reason why I'm leaning towards buys is because we have 200 EMA price trading above. We have a 50 EMA price trading above. Now, this 21 moving average is the only one that's trading below. Now, price could easily reject the 50, break, and go on its way. you know, there's more support than there is resistance. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say. Oh, nice. Hello. I see your message, bro. I see your message. Okay, AUDUSD just gave me okay. So price has now came down to this area, and now price on the 1 hour is literally retesting the 200 EMA. Now, will it reject? Will it fly? Will it buy? We'll have to wait and see and adapt and react. But yeah, man, like it's all about being patient and take, like, for example, right? I will take an entry based on this rejection, like based on this level, 38.2. It's a market structure point. I will take an entry, boom, right? If it fails, cool. I will take an entry based on the 50. All right. If it fails, that's negative 2% for the day, right? That's fine. If I take, if that fails and it comes back to the 61.8 and I take a buy, and that should actually hold from this level, right? And then I take it, because every time it comes deeper, my take profit is longer. And then I'd have a stop, like, let's say around here. That's a 1 to 10 risk to reward ratio. That means I've just made back, right? I've just made back the 3% that I lost, plus 7% plus. That's why I always recommend as low as risk as possible, because you could lose this trade 1%, you could lose this trade, but that will only give you a better entry for even a better risk to reward to make back the losses and more. So yeah, obviously I don't just enter blindly, like I wait for confirmation, such as like this one, right? So this could have been a very nice entry, but however, this was out of session, and I don't like to trade out of session, mainly because 90% of the time when you trade out of session, price is literally just dead and moving sideways. But in this scenario, price actually made a doji at this 50% level and moved up a nice little, like, 12 pips. That's a nice scalp, but I'm trying to catch 100 pips here. You know, I'm trying to catch 80 pips. I'm not trying to catch 10 pips. I don't care about that. I'm trying to grow a small Forex account for my traders in the Discord. And to do that, like if I had a, I don't know, 200k account, right? I could go in with 1% risk, catch 10%, 1% risk, catch 10 pips. That could be what? If I'm risking 1 to make 1, and let's say I'm risking 1% of 200k, that's 2,000. To make 1, that's $2,000 to catch 10 pips. So you don't really need to catch big moves when you have a big account. But when you have a small account and you're really trying to grow it, do you think you're going to grow it by catching 10 pips on a 0.01? What, you're going to make $2? It's not going to change your life. But when you're catching 80 pips, 100 pips per trade, now obviously these trades don't come as often. They do, like, obviously they happen once in a while, once a day. But when you catch that, your account will go from, like, let's say 50 to $100, because you literally just took 80 pips on your risking 10 pips. You know what I'm saying? Like, is it making sense, guys? That is the only way why I really like these long, bigger trades on a small account, because you can actually grow it. And if you ever watch other people's live stream, they literally catching 3-5 pips, but obviously their lot size is 50 and 80 lot size, 80 standards, and then if a lot one exactly, and then they make, you know, they make a lot of money. But do you have the same account size as he have? No, you will. If you catch the same move, I swear to God, you will probably make $1 to $2 because you literally just caught 1 to 2 pips, 5 pips max, and this man just made 10 grand while you just did $2. So it makes no sense, right? You have to do what works for you. You can't just, oh, this man is doing it, I'm gonna do it. This man's doing it, no, you have to see what works for you. And I know 90% of people out there don't really have a big account. That's why I started this whole 20 pip challenge, to try and help as many people as I can grow this small Forex account. And that is the whole story behind it. But look what happened here, man. Touch rejection. See what I'm saying? Patience, people, patience. Perfectly rejecting of the 200 EMA. I will stay on this fib. You can also argue this. from here to here, but it's too extreme. We don't need that. We'll stick out to our 1 hour, 4 hour time frame. Yeah, let's see, this could be another wick. You know, this 4 hour hasn't closed, so what's the minimum amount that is required to scalp? There is no minimum amount required. What are you comfortable with risking and actually losing if that happens? Of course, I'm not saying you're gonna, but if it happens, are you okay with losing that money? Go. Everyone is this topic is subjective. You may have, you know, you may have $100 that you're willing to risk and lose. You don't care about it. Some other person doesn't have $100. Some other person have $50. So it's really up to you. These answers, you can find them within yourselves when you ask yourself, what am I okay with losing? What am I not okay with losing and risking? So this is all on you. Don't ever how about a $10? Bro, I'm literally trading live $20 account. I'm doing a series for everybody. Obviously I do have my main account, but this whole challenge that I'm doing, I'm to prove to you that you don't even need a big account to make profits. You just need to be consistent. So yes, you can deposit $10 and start trading, but I'm telling you, don't even think about using more than a penny lot. Don't even think about using more than a penny lot per trade, because your losses will be very, very small. And then when you catch these 100 pip, 80 pip moves, your profits will be $5 here, $7 here, $8 here. And then a week down the line, you're making $5 here, $10 here, you're losing $1 here, you then making $7 here, then you're losing 50p here, then you're losing 50 cents here, then you're losing $2 here, but you're making 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 weeks down the line, you're gonna have a $50 account. You don't even know how. Bro, Hassan, stop it, man. Stop it. Stop it. Stop lying to yourself. Stop lying to yourself. Stop lying to yourself. $750 account, I take 6K on one day. Stop lying to yourself, bro. Stop lying, man. Okay? Yeah, prove it. Prove it. I can sit here and say, yeah, man, I just made 200 fucking K with $1,000 account. Too good to be true. Exactly. Thanks, John. Tell him. L's in the chat for this man. Drop an L for this chat in the chat for this man. Unless he proves it. Video call me right now on Telegram. Show me your account. Show me your profits. Show me everything. Show me your trade history. Prove it. I bet you can't. This man, 750, making 6K in one day. Sure, bud. Can you please send your official screenshot of your profits with trade history? Exactly. Thank you. Please do that. And I will send it on a Telegram. I will put it here live to everybody to look at. Because if you did that, if you actually did that, I will sit here and literally clap to you, my brother. When are you sending the signals? I want to start with the 10K account. Well, we have already started in the Discord, bro. We've already started. My one student is on level 3 now. I went back to level 1. If you watch the latest video I dropped, I explained why I went back to level 1. I did a stupid mistake that really, like, yeah, just if you watch the latest video I posted about day 3 of my challenge, you will understand why I'm back at level 2. But my one student, obviously he didn't do the same mistake I did to join. Yeah, man, no, listen, message me on Telegram. I will send you the payment link, and then we'll add you to the group, man. Yeah, all right, see you on the inside, bro. See you on the inside. Here's some proof for you guys. Here's some proof if you guys don't believe me. I'm live with my students here, but let's flex results here. Look at this, guys. Watch this, right? This man is up $8 today. This man, wait, yeah, this is the same $8. Okay, watch here. 240. That was my trade, but it's the same signal. This man is up $54. this man is up $106, bro, and this shit just continues. This man is up 40, 60, around 50, yeah, 70 $70 here, $20 here. It just keeps going and going and going, and it doesn't stop, bro. It's $7 here, fucking $3,000 here. That was mine, but yeah, $6 here. For, you see, $6 here, $7 here on a $20 account. You will literally have a what do you call them? You will literally have a fucking $100 account from 20, and you don't even know how you got there. So it's really crazy. Yeah, but it's all about not risking. It's never about flipping. It's just taking it easy, you know, small lots, one trade at a time. Yeah. Okay, price is kind of pushing up now. Look at that. So if I'm using a $10 account, what should be my stop loss and how many pips? That's the thing. Again, it's all subjective, depends on the trade. If this trade, let's say you end, right, and I send you a signal, and this is the signal. For example, hypothetically speaking, this was the signal. Right here, we have I'll put my stop loss below. I don't care about how many pips the stop loss is. What I care about is I go to pip calculator, right, lot size calculator, and then you look at your stop loss. Okay, it's 23 pips. How much? Let's say $1,000 account, 23 pips. So let me show you guys something. Lot size calculator. Lot size calculator. So you go on our website like this: GPP, JPY, USD. Let's say account balance. Let's say I have a $1,000 account and I want to risk 1%, right? Boom, I just click calculate and there is it. There's my lot size. So for this specific trade, oh wait, hold on, we didn't put the stop loss, sorry. Okay, so stop loss, we look here, 23 pips. We come here, stop loss, 23 pips, and we click calculate. Okay, so for me, in able to risk 1% of my $1,000 account, I have to use a 0.05 lot size on a $1,000 account. Now, you may have a $100 account, right? Then you do the same thing. You change your account size and you change your pips. It depends on every different trade is different. So this trade, obviously, stop loss have to be below a structure point so that it's safer and we are more likely to win than lose that trade. So this trade is 23 pips. Cool. I go here, $100 account, 23 pips, calculate. Okay, this trade I have to use a 0.05. Simple. And so on and so forth. So that's how you figure out what to use for your account, for the stop loss or the percentage. But the pips, like, it doesn't matter. It's all about the risk 1%. It's all about the risk 1%. It's all about the risk 1%. Okay. Okay, Hussein, what's your name? Hussein? Okay, Hussein, my brother, you just told us something and you just showed me something else. Can I show it to people here on the live? Can I show it to people on the live? Is it okay? Because people wanted to see it, remember? People wanted to see it. They wanted to see how you took $750 account and made 6K. Now, chat, watch this, guys. Here's the Telegram, right? Okay. right here. First of all, this is an FTMO account. FTMO accounts do not offer you a 750 account. It's impossible. The lowest you can go is 10k account. So that means you have a 10k account or more, right? The least you can go with FTMO is 10k account. You don't have a 750 account, bro. $750. You do not have maybe you have $750,000. That's doable. So you can't have an FTMO account 360 trade. Bro, why are you not understanding? You can't open an account with FTMO with less than $10,000. Why is it difficult for you to understand? Look, FTMO, right? FTMO accounts, account sizes. Wait, hold on, right here. Where is it? Right here. Hello? What the fuck is this? Yeah, 10k account is the minimum, I think. Why am I not on the actual FTMO site? Hello? ftmo.com. Trading, FTMO, update, boom, boom, boom. Okay, here we go. There's the accounts, guys. 10,000, 25,000, 50,000, 100k, 200k. So for you to trade with FTMO, you have to at least buy a 10k challenge account. I don't understand. 360 trade. That's fine, like that's good. But what I'm trying to say is you can't. Look, it's $500 for this account. Oh no, hold on, wait. Where's the, oh yeah. Refundable fee, 150 euros, 155 euros. 250 euros, 345, and then 540, and then 1080. Thank you for your support. Absolutely, man. But do you understand what I'm saying? That you can't have a $750 account and trade with FTMO and make 6k. You have to at least have one of these accounts. You can't have lower. Do you understand? But yeah, that's how you guys determine your lot size based on your risk. It's a lot size calculator. Save this website and use it. UJ pushing up, continuing that momentum. Where did it go? That's just a trade idea. Price below the low. Boom. Just a trade idea. I'm not taking it, nor it's a signal. Just hypothetically putting it there. Okay. Price is still in this little mini area. Right. Price is still in this area. Let's make it as accurate as possible. There we go. Cool. So price is still at the area. We have a 200, boom boom. Okay, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15, 5, 1 hour, cool. So price wants to push. GJ is alerting me right now. A lot of pairs are moving. Look at that, chat. Price literally closed above the moving average. Didn't I say wait and see? Good luck with your sell, Hassan. I'm worried for you at this point. Hello, my friend. Good luck with that sell, my friend. You give me a nice part to trade. I'm glad. I'm able to help. Makes me happy to hear that I'm able to help you guys. I'm glad I'm able to help you guys. Oh, that was my bad. That is so loud, jeez. Sure. Interesting. Interesting. Very, very interesting, chat. Very interesting. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Look at this trade. What's happening to this one? UJ? UJ is a funny pair, man. UJ is a very... Oh, there's the trade. Look at that. Boom. That was a really good trade. That was a really good trade we took a few days back, I think. Yeah, that was a really good trade. Like literally, boom, 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 straight away to TP. Really good trade. Let's see. I want to keep this off. Fuck me, this hurts. To the same trade. Yeah, we'll see if we can get something out of this one, but I'm not in this. This is just hypothetically putting it up there, not actually trading. Just want to see if what I'm seeing is right. So what I do sometimes, this is what I do to help with me being confident, right? Sometimes I'll go on TradingView and just break down like a few pairs, and then I'll just throw paper trading, like just a long and a short, and then come back to that and see if my analysis actually played out. That should give you, it's kind of a back testing, but it's actually forward testing, where I would do analysis, I would put a long, I would put a short, and then I'll just leave it, and then I'll come back and check on it a few days later to see if, oh shit, I was actually right. Okay, so if I see that pattern again, if I see that trade again, maybe I should be confident and actually take it. So this is one of them that just throw it up there to see how it goes. Yeah, but it's one of them trades. AUDSD, fucking make your mind up, bro. Make your dumbass mind up. Where are you fucking going? Well, that was disappointing from you and rude, AUDSD. I never liked it, to be fair. Don't know why. Everyone is good to new high. Yeah, let's see how it play around the 50%. Anyway, move on. Let's move on. Okay, well, this trade is not gonna play out right now. We will check on this tomorrow, chat. I hope you guys are happy with the breakdowns and, you know, little nuggets here and there. And yeah, I think that will be it for now, because obviously it's already 1:15 and the market really didn't you know, give us something interesting, and I do need to wake up kind of early tomorrow. So yeah, but it's looking good, you know, it's looking promising. We'll see. This area is the only worry that I have, but if we break that, then we should fly it for sure. Because look at all this imbalance here on the left that needs could be filled out. Boom, boom, boom. This could be a really interesting trade. Yeah, chat, thank you guys for tuning in, as always. Appreciate you guys, and yeah, that is it from me. join the free Telegram, join the Discord. I'll see you on the inside. And I'm out. Peace.